the next phase. So if I approve and open up this $5,000 account, how would it work as far as maybe requesting larger lines in the future? Is that something that's
Yeah, we can definitely like increase the amount later on in the future. The first step I think would be to a smaller line, and then you use that line and you make payments on time on it. If we have a positive payment history and we have a relationship established, it's a lot easier for us to increase the amount in the future. But for the initial setting up of the account, um, we if the amount that we're comfortable with, the 5,000, and then if we do have a positive payment experience with us and then a good relationship in the future, we can always raise that amount to truly something larger.
okay? No, that's perfect. So what would we need to do? Is it somewhere you can just automatically go ahead and get that started right now?
So what we'll need to do is that the application you have already made, it's been declined by a different underwriter. What I'll need you to do is on the same link that you had, just refill out the application and put it for 5,000.
Mhm.
And I will, if you can do it in the next 30 minutes or so,
Mhm.
I'll be looking at the new applications coming in. I can claim it, do the work on it, and then I can approve it for 5,000.
Okay, and you mentioned the same link, and I'm sorry, can you reference that where
On the website, that's Business Advantage.
okay, uh-huh.
So the same place you applied before, just apply it the same way, but just do it for the smaller amount, and I'll take a look at it to approve for that amount.
Okay, well, I will do that now. And should I just give you a call back? Is there a number where I can reach you directly, or how would that work?
Yeah, so I'll be here till another 50 minutes um, for the work week apply. So if you can submit it in the next 50 minutes, I'll be the one to work on it. Otherwise, you do it associate that we work on it. So if you can submit it in the next 50 minutes, that'll be perfect. I'll be looking at it. If I get it in the next 50 minutes, I'll decision it and send you a confirmation email.
Awesome. Okay, well, I will do that now, sir, and I look forward to building this relationship, and appreciate you taking the time to discuss it with me. So I'll get that done here now.
Okay, you take care.
All right. Thank you, sir. Boom. So look, I got initially I put in for an application with Best Buy. The first time I think it was 10,000. The second time I increased it to 15,000. They denied me. I just backdoored. I called the 1-800 number earlier today. They put me on hold for maybe 30 minutes and the phone call hung up. So I just retried it again. Got with an underwriter and this is the thing with like D&B, man, because like I have other trade lines on my business profile, larger lines, 15, 20,000, so on, and it's not reporting. So what he said was he only seen a smaller amount, so he's willing to approve me for the $5,000. So go back, resubmit the application, and he's going to pull it now and get me the approval. So y'all stay tuned, man. But this is the next trade line that I'm adding to my business report, and it's as simple as try, fail, succeed. That's it.